Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Call of Duty. First, let's cover the absolute essentials. Call of Duty is a fast-paced first-person shooter where your primary goal is often to eliminate enemy players or complete objectives. You'll need to master basic controls like moving with the left stick, aiming with the right stick, and firing with the right trigger. Also, pay close attention to your heads-up display for your health, ammo, and minimap. Now, let's refine your gameplay. Effective movement is crucial. Learn to sprint, crouch, and go prone to navigate maps and avoid enemy fire. Experiment with your aiming sensitivity settings to find what feels most natural and precise for you. A lower sensitivity often helps with accuracy, while higher sensitivity allows for quicker turns. Always use cover, like walls or obstacles, to shield yourself and gain a tactical edge. Your loadout is key to success. Call of Duty offers many weapon classes, from versatile assault rifles to rapid-fire submachine guns and powerful sniper rifles. Try them all to discover your favorites. Customize your chosen weapons with attachments like scopes, grips, and extended magazines to improve their stats. Don't forget to select perks that boost your abilities and kill streaks that reward consecutive eliminations, giving you a significant advantage. Finally, teamwork and strategy elevate your game. Always communicate with your squad, calling out enemy positions and coordinating pushes. In objective modes, focus on securing and defending points, not just getting eliminations. For instance, capturing a flag in domination earns your team points. Pay attention to the map's layout and how the match is unfolding, adjusting your tactics as needed to outsmart your opponents.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.